Hello, a very good morning to one and all. I'm Dr. Shrutika. I welcome you all back to our new YouTube video today. So, our today's YouTube video is on the phonics repertory. This is a very recently launched repertory. So, we will be understanding about the same in the most easiest and simplest manner one can understand repertory. Previous to this lecture, I have uploaded a lecture on Fatak's repertory. You can also go through the same and then come back to this video. So let's get started. So who was the author? So कोई भी repertory को पढ़ने का तरीका ऐसे है कि you have to understand the author, then you have to understand the year of publication, who have published the repertory, and what was the plan and construction. What is the plan and construction? What is the philosophical background behind the repertory? What is the rubric arrangement in the repertory? Number of chapter, number of medicines, what is the typography used, and in which clinical cases or in which clinical situations you will be referring to that repertory. Okay, so who is the author of phonics repertory? It is Dr. JPS Bakshi. When was it was published by? Who published phonics repertory? It was published by Cosmic Healers Private Limited, New Delhi, India. Year of publication is 1999. Now, why the author has used the name phonics repertory in his? Let's understand कि इसका background क्या है. Why did he say? So phoenix is a mythical bird. If you will see the flyer thumbnail of this, I have posted the picture of the mythical bird phoenix. तो एक बार आप देख लेना तो you'll understand what is this bird. So ये bird का खासियत क्या है, will understand. So it is a mythical bird with a gorgeous plumage. It is the only bird of its kind who live for 5 to 600 years in the Arabian desert, after which it burns itself to ashes on a funeral pyre ignited by the sun and fanned by its own wing, and then it rises from its ashes with renewed youth to live through another cycle. So ये ऐसा bird है जो which stays in Arabian desert and it burns itself with the help of the sun's rays, and वो आग को he gives the fanning to the ash by its own wings, and then from the ashes he turns out to live a new another cycle. So ये phoenix bird की खासियत है. So if you get this MCQ, so please understand it is a mythical bird and keep this explanation in your mind. Now what is the plan and construction? ये repertory कैसी है? So it has got 2 volumes. फर्स्ट वॉल्यूम में क्या है, माइंड टू एब्डोमेन, एंड सेकेंड वॉल्यूम में रेक्टम टू जनरलिटीज. अंडरस्टैंड, माइंड टू एब्डोमेन ऊपर से नीचे जा रहा है, एंड देन फ्रॉम रेक्टम टू जनरलिटीज. These two important things. Followed plan and construction of Kent's repertory. Very important question. Phonics repertory is based on which plan and construction, or it is based on which repertory? It is based on Kent's repertory. What is the rubric arrangement? STMEL, and it is alphabetically arranged. It is STMEL. याद रखना है, STMEL. S मतलब side, time, modalities, extension, localities. Side, time, modalities, extension and localities. ये 5 चीज़ें इज द STMEL एंड अल्फ़ाबेटिकली अरेंज्ड रूब्रिक्स है. पहले इंपॉर्टेंस साइड को दिया है, साइड एफिनिटी के बाद टाइम है, उसके बाद मोडालिटी है, उसके बाद एक्सटेंशन है, एंड देन लोकेलिटी. नंबर ऑफ चैप्टर्स आर 38. Number of medicines is 1600. Understand, number of chapters 38, number of medicines are 1600. Typography is 4 types. Bold capital is 4 marks, just simple capital is 3 marks, italics is 2 marks, and Roman is 1 mark. So we have got 4 typographies used: bold, capital, just capital, italics and Roman. Now number of rubrics is 1, 2, 5, 5 and 4. That is 1,25,514. 1, 2, 5, 5, 1, 4. Now 80,000 additions made from 540 different sources. Separate chapter on dreams given after mind chapter, and clinical rubrics are also included. So this repertory we can use in those clinical condition wherein some rubric is not given in Kent's repertory. So we can look out for the same in phonics repertory. So this was all about phonics repertory in a nutshell. I hope you find this video useful. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you and have a nice day.